Today I'm going to install the coilovers on my car. This is the front. Back's already installed. Already did one side. Just going to show you guys how I did this one. Take the bottom of the coil off because these have to be welded into there. Of course you have to take the old strut out. Cut it. As you see, I already did that. I measured 1 3/4 inches to here. Did it on the other one already. Basically, you just have to cut the old strut off so you have the spindle. Cut the tabs off because this is for an S13. They don't really fit perfect. And it's going to go on there like so. This is going to be all grounded off and painted. I keep this here for the brakes because you can see on this side it fits perfect for the brake line. This one's already done. You can see. There's that. So now I just got to weld this just like that to the spindle and go from there. As you can see, I'm ready to weld this. Got the welder out. Mine took a crap. So thanks to my cousin Ron, I got his Lincoln. Using my gas. Turn that on. You'll be ready to weld. It's not a perfect weld environment. The garage is kind of a mess at the moment, but that's what happens when you're working on cars. There you have it. It's not the best weld, but it'll hold. I'm not 100% good welder, but that'll hold. I'll ground that down, paint it, and get it ready to put back on the car and go from there. To install the top, these actually fit pretty good. Did have to do a little bit of drilling on that one, so you get this centered in here so it's still adjustable. So this had to be moved over a little bit to fit these two in between here. So this is all done. Of course that side's already been done. Now down here I have an adjustment. I have 4 inches between here and here after I tighten this one up when I put the bottom of the strut on, or coil over. I got new control arms for this. The only thing I'm waiting for is a torque bar bushing in here. It's pretty bad, both sides, really bad actually, and they're on back order for 6 to 8 weeks. So I don't know if I'm going to get this done in time for the turkey rod run. If not, I still might drive it with this, because I did drive it on these bad bushings before I found out they were bad. So we'll see. Alright, got this side together. Coilover's in, brakes are on. All back together. Hold it on there. Wasn't too bad. A couple bolts under here to come out. Takes that top part off. Ball joints under there. Replace that. That's actually new. Like I said, I still need this bush in here, up in there, but I'm gonna live without it at the moment. Put this into here, and that'll be it. It should be done. Can't wait to get this back on the road again. Still got to do body work and paint. Of course, that's all done, and the engine bay's all done. Hopefully in the next 4 weeks I'll have this all done.